Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited to be unboxing a new subscription box to me. This is the ETOILE box. I was trying to look up how to pronounce this. It's a French word, which I'm sure I'm mispronouncing, but I am so excited. Look at how cute this box is. It's the boutique style box. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you know that I love subscription boxes, and this one seems so perfect for me. Dexter seems to think it's going to be very perfect for him too, but I don't think he's going to like this one. Ever since I've been getting Dexter the Bark Box and I do unboxings, I feel like he gets so interested and thinks there's something for him in every box. But so this ETOILE box retails for $39.99 a month, and it's a monthly subscription box. It says every box is full of surprises to delight and inspire your five senses. You get 6 to 8 products in every box. You get makeup, skincare, beauty products. All of the beauty products are vegan, organic, and cruelty-free, which I think is so awesome. You also can get accessories, jewelry, home decor, sweet goodies, and best of all products are sourced from women-owned or run businesses. So I just absolutely love what this company stands for. And the theme of the February box is the Take Me to Paris box. So let's see what it comes with. Ooh, this is very beautifully packaged, and I feel like it's the perfect box design for Valentine's Day. Oh, awesome. And I love to see that there is product information. And then this also says if you use the code WELCOME, you'll get 20% off your first box. But oh my gosh, this is so cute, this product information. There must be a scarf in here because it says how to wear your scarf with these really cute images. I feel like this is like a Pinterest board. Oh my gosh, okay, this is seriously adorable. On top here are some really cute napkins, like cocktail napkins, which I should definitely have. I don't have these at my house, but for when I ever like have anyone over, these will be so cute. So these are the I Love Paris napkins from the artist Debbie Taylor Kerman via Boston International. I'm from Boston. It says these cocktail napkins would be great to use while sipping your favorite cocktails and eating your delicious macarons. Like I said, I'm not good with French. But those are so cute. Next, I have here from the brand Ferret Perfumer, Hyalamel Original, moisturizing, soothing, and refreshing hyaline jelly with organic honey for your hands. So is this like a hand cream? Oh my gosh, I definitely need this for my dry hands. Very cute packaging as well. I am always happy to get a hand cream because I need to apply hand lotion, hand cream multiple times a day. Pretty much every time I wash my hands, I need to put on hand cream and my hands get so dry, so I'm really excited to see that. It says Ferret Parfumer is a vintage brand since 1878. Delivers premier products made from honey and essential oils. That sounds so nice. Ooh, here's a really cute notebook. Look at these cute designs. And like a blank notebook. And this is from Hadron Epic Design Studio. I just love this theme. Everything you can get associated with, I feel like the Paris theme is so cute. Next up, ooh, what's this? Maybe it's like, ooh, that is fragranced. Maybe like potpourri or something like that. Smells very nice. Yeah, I don't see that on the product information here. Oh, and is this my beautiful scarf? Wow, oh my gosh, this seems like it's silk or something. Look at how cute this is. Wow, I'm so glad that they gave styling tips on how to wear this because off the top of my head, I do not know. But there are so many cute ideas on here. And this is a French chic scarf. And it's from the brand Ellison. Next, oh, I love these, a reusable tote. I love to use these as gift bags. I love to use them as shopping bags. And this one is adorable. It's from Margot Elena. Oh man, these are all broken. Oh, but the last product in here is the Macarons. And they're from Savor Patisserie. French macarons and baking classes. Oh, these are so cute, but they're completely crushed for me. Oh, that's such a bummer. It says, owner Kelly Watts hand decorated each of her signature French macarons using only organic ingredients, and they're gluten-free. Oh, I wish I could have seen what they looked like when they were decorated. Oh, but wow, such a cute box. And such a cute theme. I'm already so interested to see what theme they're gonna do each month. This is adorable. I'll do a quick recap of everything I got. So the macaron cookies, the reusable tote, the adorable scarf, the kind of scented refresher beads, the hand cream, this notebook, and these adorable napkins. And they said that this box is designed to surprise and delight, and it absolutely did that for me. I think this is so much fun, so cute, and it's just great knowing that all of these products are from woman-owned or woman-run businesses. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you received the ETOILE box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.